Hello guys, welcome back to this brand new video. This is part 10 of our chipa-ta tutorial video series. In this tutorial, we're gonna see the .next candles function. Yes, that's it guys. It's gonna be pretty awesome. It's a quick tutorial, this one, but yes, I wanted also to let you know, as always, you can get our custom bot development. As you can see, the UI is changing because yes, you can see now this goes integrated with a license key. You can get the plan and check other things like this. But yes guys, that's it guys. Thank you, and let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, as always, some starter code. This is the same starter code as always, but yes, we're gonna start using the program. So to start, we're gonna make this little code, which is SMA candle, which is the variable, equals indicator.sma of a period of 3. As you can see, same as always, it's the same thing, it's perfect, it's the way we do it. Then we're just gonna get put everything in a variable called the batch results, which is gonna equal sma.next candles, which yes, as you can see, if we run this run Python in dedicated terminal, you will see in this very own thing that we can print a batch of our next candles, of course the latest 5 results. Next up, you can do a stream, verify the matches of streaming. So you can do the same, indicator.sma equals a candle 3, then go through the stream and .next candle, and you can get the last stream, which you can also just add a print in last stream, which then if you run this, you can see everything works. And guys, thank you very much for watching. I hope this one was better. I made sure you can read the code, and the code is more readable because, you know, I understand sometimes it's a bit bad, but yes, thank you guys very much for watching this video. And you know, as we always say, for cheap as worth, my name is Vivi Walker, and I see you in the next one.